Assalamu alaikum students. Today our lecture will be on the exercise of ratios. So previously we have done the example. Now we will do the example of exercise of a ratio. So there are some questions. First of all, we do some questions. So let me start. So this is exercise 11.1. So question number 1, write each of these ratios in its simplest form. So ratio can be there might be we can form them infinite forms can exist now. So if this is x 6 ratio 3, if you multiply with some some integer both sides, 3 into 2, so you will get 12 ratio 6. So there are many forms which can exist. No? So now the question says you have to find the it's in a simplest form. No? So for finding the simplest form, it's saying you have to find the HCF, highest common factor of 6 and 3. So highest common factor of 6 and 3 is 3. So you have to divide this 6 with 3, the highest common factor of both. So this is because this is a common though, so this is the 3 is of the both. So now you can see here it will become a 2 ratio 1. So this form can exist. This form can be existed. If you change this integer 2 with some 3, there might be some other form. If you change 2 with 3, you will get 18 ratio some 9. 18 ratio 9, so which is also the same. So but now we have converted into a simplest form. This is 2 ratio 1. Now, so we have many other questions from this exercise. This question is 4 ratio 48. So now the highest common factor for this HCF of 4 and 48 is 4. So 4 divided by 4, 48 divided by 4. So now it will become 1 ratio 1 to 1 ratio 12. So when we divide 48 divided by 4, you will get 12. So this is 1 ratio 12. So let's see some other questions. I hope this is clear. No? This is easy. Conversion is easy. So now we have a part J of this. So 9 ratio 81. So basically these are the quantities which are divided into a 9 ratio 81. So HCF of 9 and 81 is 9. So the highest common factor of 9 and 81 is 9. So 9 divided by 9 and 81 divided by 9. So you will get 1 ratio 9, because you can convert 81 into 9 into 9, and 9 will be cancelled and you will get this. It's like this. So this was just the conversion with the numbers. There were no you can see there were no units in the quantities, but in real life there exist some quantities, no? So now let's see how the ratio works in the quantities, and how we will simplify if there are some units there are, no? So this is the question number 2, no? So it says write each of these ratios in its simplest form. So we have a part A. It says now we have this is the question number 2 and A. This says 20 minutes ratio with 1 hour. So 20 minutes one ratio with 1 hour. So first of all, we will convert this minute and hours as the same units, no? So I am converting the hours in the 60 minutes, no? So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 20-minute ratio 60 minutes. So you will get when you divide 20 both sides, so you will get this is basically ratio, sign of the ratio. So you will get 1 ratio 3. So this says 1 minute ratio 3. So this says there was the total some kind of a 12. There were the 4 minutes, and one person took 3 minutes, and other person took the 1 minute to solve the same question. There might be some other meaning also. So I hope this is clear. So we have a part C. It is 300 milliliter ratio with 1 liter. So 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So now you will substitute 1 liter with 1000 milliliter, because we want the large value now. That's why I'm converting. We want the same units and the large values. (300 milliliter ratio 1000 milliliter). So now first of all, you can the highest common factor for this will become, I think so, this is 100. So you will divide with the 100, no? So this will become a 3 milliliter and 10 milliliter. So now we have a part E. It says 2 minutes 30 seconds. So first we will convert this 2 minutes into seconds. So first of all, 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So then 2 minutes will become how much? Just you will multiply both sides with 2 and you will get 120 seconds. So now we can easily convert this 2 minute with 120 seconds. So 120 seconds ratio, so ratio 30 seconds. So you can divide with 30 both sides. So you will get how much on that side? I think 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 second ratio 1 second. So I hope this is understandable. So now we have a question number 4 from this exercise. This is question number 4. It says, write each of these ratios in its simplest form. So we have part A, 5 ratio 15 ratio and 55. So now we have a 3 counter. So just highest common factor of all. This is like the highest common factor of 5, 15, 55, which is 5. Divide 5 with both sides. So you both sides are 3 sides. So you can, like, we are dividing 5 with 5, 15 divided by 5, and 55 divided by 5. So you will get how much value? 5 divided by 5 you will get 1, and 15 divided by 5 you will get 3, 1 ratio 3 ratio 11. So this is our finding. We have same question, but the part C is here. This is 8 ratio 32 ratio 40. So what we will do is solution for this is highest common factor of 8, 32, and 40. So the highest common factor for 8, 32, and 40 is just 8. So divide 32 divided by 8. Because here I have done the calculation of the highest common factor of of these all 3 quantities. That's why I'm doing it easily. So first of all, you have to do is you have to find the highest common factor, and the half job is done. So this is 1 ratio 4 ratio 5. So now we have a question number 5. It says write each of these ratios in its simplest form. So we have a part A. It says 50 cents ratio with dollar 2.50 and $5. So now you can see the units are dollars and cents. So first what we'll do is to convert the dollars into cents. So in my knowledge, $1 is equals to 100 cents. So if you multiply this 2.50 with 100, you will get in a cents. So this will be converted to cents. So when you 5 multiply by 100, we convert it into cents. So 50 cents $2.50, and this is 500. So basically the units are same. This is also in cents. This is also in cents. So these are all are in cents. So what we will do is divide with 50 because the highest common factor is the 50. So 1 ratio. While you will divide 250 with 50 cents, you will get 5. When you divide 50 with 500, you will get 10. So this is 1 ratio 5 ratio 10. So now we have a question number 6. What it says, we have 3 people, no? It's some Mali person, Mali. There is a Pauli. So I might be not pronouncing it perfectly, but this is Dave. This works. So they invest. The person 1 invests $500, and the person second person, the body, invests $800, and the third person, Dave, invests $1,000. Now, respectively, so they all for each. So in some business, right? The ratio of their investments in its simplest form. So when it says simplest form, so there should be no common factor in all. So now let's see their investment ratio. So this is simply, it's like a investment of a $5, ratio $8, ratio 1,000. So now what we will do is first we will multiply with 100. Let's see how much it's simplified. 100, 0 will be cancelled. So you will get 5 ratio 8 ratio 10. So now this is the simplified version, which is the write the ratio of their investments. So their investment ratio is this. So when you will add these, so it will become, I think so, 23. So it's like a 5. From 23 parts, there is investment of 5 of some Mali person. Mali, that's first person, and the second person is of 8, and the third person is of 10. So because 10 plus 8, you will get 18. 18 plus 5, 5 you will get 23. So I hope this is clear, But and ask me if there is a problem. So, अल्लाह हाफिज़, अपना ख्याल रखें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब